Hi, I'm Khan. When you come to the Furniture School at Lyme Regis, you will have the opportunity to work with your hands and your heart and your mind to create something of lasting value. The emphasis of my work has really been to make the connection between us and our environment, and I have recently also been working in the urban environment in Copenhagen, where I have developed ways to encourage the circular economy, where you start off by making something decent and then you can repair and reuse and then eventually recycle. I think that's very important. The last couple of years I have run tiny house building courses, and I think it's interesting that in comparison with boat building, tiny houses also demand that you pay attention to construction detail and careful choice of material. When you come to the Furniture School in Lyme Regis, I look forward to working with you and with homegrown material and reclaimed wood, and to develop your skill set for the future. Look forward to seeing you.